Is this whipped tallow cream actually worth it, or should you get something that's not whipped and doesn't have a good scent? Well, I've gone through most of this bottle. This is the whipped Amallow face and body cream. Been using it on my face and my hands because they've been pretty dry. I liked the whipped texture and everything more than just the tallow itself. But I love that this just has a very, very soft almond oil smell. There's nothing really strong about this. Doesn't smell like an artificial candle or anything like that because I really cannot stand the artificial smells. But I can't wait to grab another jar of the Amallow. I'm someone that hasn't really done much for skincare except for this as my first kind of like focus on something really easy that I can do before bed or in the morning. This is a 4-ounce jar, so it has lasted me about a month at this point, and I imagine I have just a little bit more, few more weeks before I need to replace this jar. But overall, definitely loving how soft my skin is, how it has kind of like a natural glow, and I don't feel like it's clogging my pores or anything like that. All right, hope you have a good day.